So are you having trouble with your Fire Stick remote? Amount of people who seem to put comments saying they're having issues with the remote. Many issues, from not connecting properly, running out of batteries quickly, things like this. We're going to show you the ultimate fix to get it back working properly, and let me know if it works for you in the comments. Okay, so what you're going to do, first thing you need to do is unplug your Fire Stick. So I'm going to do mine now so we can do every step. So my Fire Stick is now unplugged, and unplug it from the power for at least 60 seconds, okay? While it is unplugged, what you need to do is get your remote, okay? You can all see it there. And you know the back button and the menu button. You're going to hold them down. I'll put it up on screen as well. And you need to hold the left button, okay? So you need to hold them down for about 15 seconds, I'd say 10 to 15. Do a little bit longer if you have to. So just hold them all down. So that's the back button, the menu button, and the left button. I'll show a little image here as well. So hold them for up to about 15 seconds. Let me count. Okay, so we're still holding. We're coming up to about 15 seconds. Okay, perfect. So once you've done that, next, you're going to leave your remote for a few seconds, maybe like 5 seconds or so, just to get this done. Your Fire Stick should still be unplugged, okay, from the power. You're then going to open the back, and from there, you're going to remove the batteries. Okay, so I'll do it step by step for you. Batteries are now out. And what you're going to do, that should have been, hopefully the 60-second minimum had passed. You can now power back up your Fire Stick. Let me just find my power cable. So you can fire up your Fire Stick again. And I will change screens so you can see my Fire Stick powering up. So my Fire Stick is powering up now. And that's firing back up again, but do not do anything yet. Leave your batteries out your remote. That will power up for us. And you might get a screen pop up saying network not connected yet. Don't worry too much on that. You might also get a screen pop up, hopefully, you might do, which says we can't detect your remote. So let's see. Once it's come up, what you're going to do is put your batteries back in, okay? So your batteries go in. And obviously close it. And as you'll see here, my remote now is not doing anything on my Fire Stick. It's completely reset and not doing a thing. So what you're going to do is then hold down the home button. Hold down that home button. And you need to wait for about 10 seconds again while it does its pairing. But this bit can be a bit fiddly, doesn't always work. Sometimes you have to spam the home button. You have to do it a few times. You'll see the lights flashing. Spam it, push it. And after a while, it will pair back up again. It can take time. I'm not going to edit anything. And the pop-up will come up at some point saying, we can't detect your remote. This is the fiddliest bit, but you just keep holding that home button, okay? Spam it a few times if you have to. And I'm doing this live, so I haven't edited it at all or cropped anything out. This is me resetting it. And I'm still spamming it. And it will finally connect any second. And there we go. We can detect your remote. And what you'll see when that pops up, it's suddenly connected. And we are back running, and your remote should be working fully in order. That shows how fiddly that bit can be, but you have to be persistent. And if the whole thing doesn't work, try over and over again. Brilliant. I really hope that helped you out. And if it does, let me know in the comments. Also, if it did help you out, do remember to hit that share button. Possibly subscribe to the channel if we've helped you out on this one. Things like this, it'd be really useful. We've got tons of videos which will help you with your streaming going forward. And share that video to anybody who needs that help, because I get asked the question all the time. So that's why I've remade this video, done a fresh guide, because then I can share it to people who need the extra advice. Obviously, I've been Doc Squiffy. If you do want to hit the follow button, I'd appreciate it, but it's not the end of the world. And if you did want to see one of our partners, we have a great offer for you from IPVanish VPN, a link directly underneath. Perfect. I've been Doc Squiffy. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.